Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Android to PC. Easy methods. The first method, copy files using Nearby Share. Install Nearby Share for Windows and follow the on-screen instruction to get it set up on your PC. Activate Nearby Share in your Android device's settings. Once done, locate the content you wish to share and tap the share icon. You'll find Nearby Share as one of the available options. Tap Nearby Share and select your Windows PC. Then, click Accept on your PC to save the file. The second option, transfer files from Android to PC with Bluetooth file transfer. To begin, you'll need to enable Bluetooth first on Windows, then on Android. To enable Bluetooth on Windows, press the Win plus I keys together to open the Settings app. In Settings, click on Bluetooth and other devices in the left panel. Then switch Bluetooth to on. Click Add Bluetooth device and select Bluetooth again to scan for compatible devices. On Android, swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings and long tap Bluetooth. In the next screen, tap your PC's name under Available Devices. When prompted, confirm pairing. Pair on Android, yes on Windows. The third option, share files from Android to PC with AirDrone. And fourth, share files from mobile to PC with a USB cable. And fifth, transfer files from Android to PC using an SD card. Sixth, share files over cloud storage. 7. And last, transfer small files using email. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys on the next video.